Welcome to this channel. So this morning I got questions from one of our friends. This friend, he read about the multi-directional strength and the momentum from the Restricting Wing Chun. And after that, he tried out the digital Redboat training band. And he told me he is very happy that he can get his 10-second hold strength number. So he knows his 10-second hold strength, where he hold 10 seconds and get the strength as I shared in my previous video. Now, he asked me, do I have any gadget for measuring the peak strength when he dash out with his momentum? And the answer is yes. If you replace this 10-second hold skill with this peak hold skill, you will be able to get the peak strength when you dash out with your momentum. So this is how it works. Okay, you see that this is the 0 out already, okay? And I just make a slight pull there, and it showed me it locked into 4 pounds. So with this skill, one be able to measure the peak strength when one dash out, the instantaneous strength when one dash out, okay? And of course, with this one, dynamically one can know which type of dashing out produce the maximum or the maximum peak strength, okay? So this is the device. I put the link under here. The issue is that this is much more expensive, like about $50. This is, as you know, there is about $20. And this lock into the 10-second holding strength, so you can measure your endurance. And of course, if you get somebody to look at this skill, you can see your peak also. However, this one is, it automatically locked into your peak strength. So this one will be the solution if one wants to see how much strength, the peak strength when one dash out or shoot in, okay? So this is to share with you today. And so as you can see, now we have scientific device to measure the strength or the endurance and also the peak. And only this way we can really develop something, or else we're really flying blind, okay?